Turn it down! What? Turn it down! What? Your music is too loud! I can't hear you, the music's too loud! Caddy, what was your dad mumbling about?
Your stereo.
What?
What's up, Weasel?
Hey, yo, Eduardo, how you like my man's new sound system?
Yo, it's slamming.
Check it out.
2 6x9 speakers in the door. Word? 4 15s in the back. Tape, CD player, and digital preamp. Boom! Man, it's like having Whitney Houston riding shotgun.
Yo, man, I wish I could afford something like that. My stereo bites.
No problem, Bob. Weasel took care of me. He can hook you up, too.
Oh, well, you know.
Yeah.
I know a guy who can get stuff real cheap, you know. How much you prepared to invest?